The boys pictured with a gun in a video on social media are being urged to turn themselves in with their parents and lawyers. Head of the police's corporate communications unit says the police have commenced an investigation into the disturbing video. Members of the public who know the boys or their families are being urged to call the police emergency number 119 or the nearest police station. In the video, 4 boys are seen and heard laughing while taking turns posing with the handgun.
The St. James police say progress in the investigation is being made following Wednesday's murder of an American tourist in Montego Bay. At about 9:45 yesterday, the body of 65-year-old Theodore Walling, a retired quality control inspector of a Michigan address, was found in a room at Hotel Gloriana. The body had stab wounds. Head of crime in the Area 1 headquarters, Senior Superintendent Michael Phipps, told TVJ News that investigators are following leads and gathering forensic evidence they believe will assist in solving the case.